Good day, folks. Welcome to Monitoring and Evaluation Made Simple. Today, friends, I'm very excited and so happy to be sharing you today's information on YouTube. Let's get straight into action, shall we? Why is exposure important? Or why is it we need to be exposed and known by others? Whether you're in full-time employment or working part-time or just graduated from school, being known by others could actually determine whether or not you make more money. For example, if you have been hired as a consultant before, the only reason you got hired is because there was information the employers received about you that made them want to hire you. In most cases, such information is all about your good work, your good personality, and excellent skills. You see, friend, that is how this world works. For somebody to be hired, he has to be known by people. And he has to be somebody they can hire, they can trust, and pay him to do the job without any problems. But let's face it, in this competitive world, it is so difficult to be known because you are competing with so many other people like yourself who are also highly skilled. So, in such a case, what do? Truth be told, no matter how educated, talented, skilled, or hardworking you are, if you are not known, nobody is going to hire you. But it even gets worse. If those people can't trust you, then they can't hire you. We're not just talking about 100 people here, or 1,000 people, or 10,000 people. No, we are talking about even 100,000 people and above. Why do the numbers matter, my friend? It's simple. More people knowing about you and your service means more money and more success. When I first started my YouTube channel, I had 0 subscribers. When I posted my first video and subsequent videos, guess what? I got 70,000 and 40,000 views on my best videos. This exposure has made me earn money on YouTube, Google, and other consultancies and online courses that I have posted in the past. YouTube is just one of the 15 methods I know on how to generate traffic to your service, but I won't be sharing them in this video because this channel is mainly designed for teaching M&E and sharing knowledge on M&E. Many people are earning money on the side, and you could too. If you want me to share with you the secrets of increasing your exposure on YouTube, I want you to subscribe to my new channel called Monitoring and Evaluation Course Prestige. This is a channel for only those who are serious to increase their income to the next level. In this channel, I'm going to teach you the secrets of M&E, and most of all, how to generate visitors to your service. It could be a consultancy, business, or any other product here offering to people worldwide. Remember, more visitors means more money. Until we meet again, folks, I've been your host, Coach Alexander, and see you on the other side. Bye!